Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most famous maritime disasters in history, the Titanic tragedy, with footage you've never seen before and mysteries you've never heard about. When the Titanic sank over a century ago in 1912, it shocked the world and left many unanswered questions behind. So, did the Titanic really just hit an iceberg? Or were there other unknown mysteries involved? In this video, we'll share some of the most intriguing and surprising facts about the Titanic that you've never heard before. When the Titanic was built in 1912, it was touted as the world's largest and most luxurious passenger ship. Considering how advanced the technology was at the time, they had created one of the greatest engineering marvels of the era. It wasn't just its size and elegance that stood out, but also its safety features. However, there's a question that still sparks debate today. Could the Titanic really never sink? Due to design flaws, some crucial safety measures were missing. For instance, the number of lifeboats on board was insufficient for the total number of passengers. One of the most significant factors was the belief that the Titanic was unsinkable. Many experts argue that this false sense of security played a major role in the tragedy. The sinking of the Titanic wasn't just a maritime disaster, it was a mystery that has intrigued historians for years. On the night of April 14th, 1912, when the Titanic struck an iceberg, the ship sank in just 2 hours and 40 minutes. But after the sinking, many questions remained unanswered. One of the most striking mysteries revolves around what Captain Edward Smith did in the final hours. Some theories suggest that Smith intentionally sped up the ship, causing it to hit the iceberg, but this is still up for debate. Additionally, some eyewitnesses claim that there was an unusual lunar eclipse occurring just before the sinking, with the ship shaking violently. Could this have been a natural phenomenon tied to the impending disaster? The Titanic wasn't just a ship, it was a microcosm full of fascinating stories. Among the passengers who vanished in this great disaster, there were some very notable names. One of the wealthiest passengers, John Jacob Astor IV, didn't survive, but his name remains infamous among the missing. Another intriguing story involves the so-called mysterious passengers aboard the Titanic. Some claims suggest that there were passengers who deliberately disappeared during the sinking. One of these passengers was reportedly not recognized by the crew or other passengers, and his actions during the disaster raised suspicions. 73 years after the sinking, in 1985, French explorer Robert Ballard and his team discovered the wreckage of the Titanic. Since then, new and astonishing footage has emerged, shedding more light on the precise cause of the ship's sinking. But among these discoveries, certain objects stand out. Items from the Titanic's luxurious salons, personal belongings of the crew, and gold and precious stones that were never found after the ship sank. Is it possible that these items are still hidden in the wreckage? Recent dives suggest that many objects and jewels might still be present in the wreck, fueling ongoing debates about the Titanic. These mysterious items push the conversation forward and deepen the intrigue surrounding the ship. One of the most talked about aspects of the Titanic is the conspiracy theories surrounding it. Some believe the Titanic was intentionally sunk as part of a plot by wealthy passengers, including banking magnate J.P. Morgan, to turn the disaster into an insurance scam. Other theories suggest that the ship's sinking could have been part of a larger international political plan. So, how much truth is there to these conspiracy theories? Every year, new theories emerge, turning the Titanic tragedy from an accident into a mystery full of unknowns. The incredible mysteries of the Titanic remain unsolved to this day. However, with each passing year, new research and discoveries continue to shed light on the truth behind this tragedy. Solving the Titanic's secrets is a significant step in understanding the past, but some of its greatest mysteries may never be fully uncovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this mysterious journey with your friends. See you in the next video.